There are so many different ways you can make money as a teenager, and a number of them that don't require getting a job. If you're looking for ways to make money online, try taking surveys through websites like Swagbucks, Treasure Trooper, and Survey Junkie. You get paid for each survey you take and can easily earn some extra cash when you're hanging out at home. Another option is to freelance through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You just create a profile that shows off a skill you're really good at, like graphic design, coding, singing, or photography, and clients can hire you for paid jobs. You can also sell things you don't use anymore online, like old clothes, books, video games, toys, and electronics. There are even websites that will pay you for things like reviewing song lyrics, selling stock photographs, proofreading, and shopping online. To earn cash in person, try reselling products you buy online to your friends, classmates, and family members for a profit. You could resell candy bars, beverages, accessories, or school supplies. Alternatively, ask your parents if they'll pay you for doing chores around the house, like laundry, cleaning, and yard work. You could also start your own side business, like babysitting, dog walking, tutoring, or mowing lawns. Tell family and neighbors about your business to spread the word and start getting clients.